This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies mug cake. Mix 4 tablespoons flour, 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa, and a pinch of salt in a mug. Add 2 tablespoons melted butter, 3 tablespoons milk, and 1 egg, stirring until smooth. Fold in 2 tablespoons chocolate chips if you like. Microwave on high for 60 to 90 seconds until set but still moist, then cool slightly. Try simple swaps to change the mood of your mug brownie quickly and deliciously. Swap plain cocoa for dark cocoa, or add a teaspoon of espresso for intensity. Mix in a tablespoon of peanut butter or swirl in caramel for gooey pockets. Use chopped nuts for crunch or a pinch of sea salt to balance sweetness. Serve with a small scoop of ice cream or a drizzle of melted chocolate for a cafe feel. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and tips right in the kitchen, and it fits neatly on a counter while you bake. It's lightweight, easy to read under dim light, and a handy gadget for any home chef. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When your mug brownie goes wrong, you can fix it fast with a few sensible steps. If the center is too wet, microwave in 10-second bursts until just set to avoid overcooking edges. If the texture turns rubbery, reduce the total cook time by 10 to 20 seconds next time and check earlier. If it feels dry, stir in an extra tablespoon of milk or a small splash of oil before microwaving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.